Welcome to Inspiring Tales. Imagine a night where the only sound is the crackle of wood and the whispers of the ancient forest. A young boy sits by his grandfather, a man who has seen 100 winters and carries the wisdom of his ancestors in his heart. The grandfather looks into the fire, seeing not just flames, but the very patterns of life that connect us all to the earth. He tells his grandson, "A fight is going on inside me, my son. It is a terrible fight between two powerful wolves. The first is the black wolf. He is dark as a moonless night, hiding in the shadows of our thoughts, waiting for a moment of weakness. He is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, and arrogance. He feeds on self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, and false pride. But then there is the white wolf. He is bright as the morning sun, walking with a spirit that lifts the world around him. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, and humility. He carries kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. These two wolves are locked in a battle that never ends. They circle one another, each seeking to dominate the landscape of the soul. The boy listens, his breath catching in his throat. He feels the weight of the story and the truth of the grandfather's words. The black wolf growls when things go wrong. He wants you to stay angry, to blame others, and to feel like a victim. The white wolf breathes softly. He encourages you to forgive, to look for the light, and to walk with a steady heart. This same fight, the grandfather says, is going on inside you and inside every other person on this beautiful earth. Sparks fly from the fire like tiny stars. The grandfather explains that our emotions are like these sparks. They can create light or start a fire. The black wolf howls with arrogance. He wants you to believe you are better than others, or that you deserve more than your share. The white wolf acts with kindness. He knows that true power comes from helping the weak and speaking the truth with a gentle voice. The struggle is constant. Some days the black wolf seems to win, and other days the white wolf leads the way into the light. The grandfather leans in closer, his voice dropping to a whisper that carries the weight of many lifetimes of experience. The grandson thinks about this for a long minute. He looks at his own hands, wondering which wolf is winning inside him right now. He looks up at his grandfather and asks the question that every human heart has asked at least once in its journey. He worries that the black wolf is too strong. He sees the anger and the greed in the world and feels a moment of fear. But he also sees the white wolf's strength. He sees the love his grandfather shows and the peace that lives in the forest. Every choice we make in our daily lives, how we treat a stranger, how we handle a mistake, is part of this eternal battle. When we choose to judge, we are listening to the black wolf. When we choose to understand, we are listening to the white. It is a choice we make 1,000 times a day. Every thought is a step toward one wolf or the other. The grandfather explains that the wolves are not just stories. They are the living forces that shape our character and our destiny. The black wolf grows strong on a diet of negativity. If you feed him your attention, he will grow until he controls you. The white wolf grows strong on a diet of gratitude. If you feed him your focus, he will grow until he guides you. Think of your mind as a place of feeding. What are you putting on the plate? What energy are you inviting into your home? The boy starts to see that he is the master of the wolves. He is the one who decides who gets to eat. The wolf of lies is clever. He makes you think that being angry is being strong. He makes you think that greed is success. The wolf of truth is simple. He knows that being peaceful is true strength. He knows that generosity is true success. Look at the stars above. They shine because they are fueled by light. Our lives shine when we fuel them with the right intentions. You can change which wolf you are feeding at any moment. It is never too late to start feeding the wolf of peace. The battle can be painful. Letting go of anger is hard work. Choosing hope when things are dark requires great courage. But the rewards are great. When the white wolf leads, your heart becomes a sanctuary. You become a source of light for others. "Grandfather," the boy whispers, his voice trembling slightly with the importance of the moment. "Which wolf will win the fight?" The old man looks at the dying embers of the fire. The silence of the forest seems to wait for his answer. He smiles, his eyes reflecting the soft red glow of the fire. He has answered this question for many generations of his family. The old grandfather simply replied, "The one you feed." These 4 words hold the secret to a life of meaning. If you feed the black wolf your time and energy, he will win. If you feed the white wolf, he will prevail. Imagine the freedom of feeding only the good. Imagine the peace of a mind that is no longer torn by inner conflict. But listen carefully, my son. The grandfather says that if you only feed the white wolf, the black wolf will hide in the shadows. He will wait for you to sleep, then he will attack. He will become hungry and dangerous because he is being starved. But if you feed the black wolf a little, he becomes your servant. His tenacity and his sharpness can be used for good. When both are fed, there is no more battle. There is only balance. There is only the harmony of a soul at peace. The grandson realizes that he doesn't have to be perfect. He just has to be a good master to the wolves inside. The fire is low now. The lessons of the night have been planted like seeds in the fertile soil of the boy's mind. They stand together, 2 generations united by a story. The moonlight washes over them, a blessing from the Great Spirit above. Your mind is a garden. Every thought is a seed. What you water and feed is what will eventually grow and bloom. Life is a stormy sea, but you are the captain of your ship. Your choices are the sails that catch the wind. As they walk back, the boy feels a new sense of responsibility. He knows that his future depends on his daily choices. He looks back at the embers, promising himself to be mindful of what he feeds his heart from this day forward. Darkness is not the absence of light, but a place where light has not yet been invited. Invite the light today. Feed your love, feed your hope, feed your peace. These are the qualities that make a human life truly beautiful. Let go of the greed, let go of the lies, let go of the regret. They are heavy weights that only hold you back. The grandfather's voice remains in the air, a gentle reminder that we are the creators of our own internal world. The fire goes out, but the warmth remains. The story is finished, but the journey of the grandson has only just begun. We are all stars in the making. We are all stories waiting to be told. We are all masters of our wolves. Thank you for joining us at Inspiring Tales. Subscribe to feed your mind with wisdom and improve your English every single day.